I help you?
Hi, my son came in the other day, just, wondering about your POS system.
Oh, okay. What about our POS system?
Just wondering what kind of a system you have and whether it, I see your credit cards run through your keyboard there. Oh, here comes my son, Jeff. Here he comes.
Oh, I recognize him.
Oh, hey, Jeff.
Hey, Dad.
Jeff. Oh, Jeff. Do you see this here now, Jeff? Verifone, Jeff.
What's Verifone?
This is the keypad that they use here. It is one of... Jeff.
Oh.
It is the best of the best, Jeff. Jeff! If you see this one, this is probably run... Wells Fargo, Jeff. Jeff.
What?
This Wells Fargo runs this one for them. It's a Wells Fargo one. And this, if you look over here now, Jeff, this keyboard, it has all these special POS buttons, Jeff. Jeff!
It's Jeff outside. Hi, how are you?
Hello? So I want to put something in this area on the outside of my patio. I have this one area that's a window and it into it, and I want to put a bird bath, one that's small but simple, in that area of over here. I do have one room that I haven't used that I think would be beautiful if the birds could fly down and eat the seed and bathe. Do you know of anything that I could do that with?
I love the fountain. I'm just gonna call my boyfriend. I don't want to let him know that I want to do this because, well, it's a long story, but I'm gonna just call him up really quick here. Just 1 second. I'm so excited to get this.
Hi, babe. Hi. I just want a quick question. Do we have a water on the patio? Yeah. Like for a hose or what? Just water. Do we have water on the patio? Yeah. I want to get the bird bath. I just want to get the bird bath. You said I could get a bird. I just want the birds to come. What? It's just a small bird bath. 160. It's just hurt. It's just that. But you promised me. Alright. Love you too.
I'm just gonna get the hummingbird feeder. Best day of Grace's life.
2 days. And this is the first time.
Here. And then walked back. Then she decided to look at some seed. She liked what she saw. So, she looked at it some more. Then she wanted to look at something else up here. She looked at the feeders for a while, and then came over here to pay for her seed. And back around she came. Then she went back to the barn, where she came from originally. Goodbye, lady. Never come back. Cletus, I don't know where we are.